Hey guys, what do we have here is our smart projector. Let me go ahead and show you guys what you get inside. So very nice projector, guys. Go ahead and get it out. There's this thing right here. This is our projector. It's protected very well. Let me go ahead and rip this off so you guys could see. As you guys could see right here, we have our model. Now he won't let me shoot any video without him. He don't want to leave my side, so this is it, guys. So as you could see, we could rotate through here. So it's gonna be like that, and then all your hardware is gonna go here. And then let me go ahead and came with a little box as well. So this is all the plugs and stuff. So let's go ahead and see the remote and the plug. So we have a very nice remote. As you could see, comes in with the Prime, YouTube, Netflix, and Disney already built in. So all you have to do is click. So it's like a smart TV, which is very nice. Comes in with the instruction menu and a cable. And then some warranty as well. I dropped something. Let's see what this is. So this is like a little Q-tip just to clean the glass and lens as well. So anyways, let me go ahead and get everything set up, and I'll show you guys some of the pictures and what it look like. Hey guys, so we got it set up in the bedroom. As you can see, we are watching it in the ceiling. So we got live news, guys. Let me just press this so you guys
looking good. If I had that look, I would have been president 20 years ago. I wouldn't have had to wait so long. You look great, fellas. But we have many of them. I didn't even realize it at the time, but I visited many of you in
As you guys could see it, guys, it's very nice. The sound system is very clear. I would play some music, but the problem is they would hit me for a copyright, so I don't want to do that. So that's why I'm just showing you guys some news and TV. So yeah, guys, and you can watch pretty much anything and everything on here. Like I mentioned earlier, they have Netflix and Disney and built-in YouTube and Prime. As you can see, my son is playing with that right now. So yeah, very nice, guys. Just connect to your Wi-Fi and you are ready to go. So yeah, anybody who wants it, I say go for it, guys. You're absolutely gonna love it.